This video will show you how to resolve the iPhone touch screen not working issue. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. If iPhone touch screen is not working properly, the first thing to do is force restart the device. Fix 2. Clean the screen. Issues with unresponsive touchscreens can also result from dirt or water getting on the screen. Just get a soft cloth to gently remove any dirt, dust, or water droplets from the screen. Fix 3. Let your iPhone cool down. If the device is too hot, it may give you difficulty operating. For instance, the screen can fail to respond to touch, so let it cool down first before using it again. Fix 4. Check applications on iPhone. This issue could be a result of a problematic application on your iPhone. Therefore, make sure to inspect the app you download. In case something suspicious is detected, delete it right away. Step 1. Hold on to the app icon for a few seconds. Step 2. Click on the X sign and confirm the deletion. Fix 5. Update your iPhone. To avoid software issues on your iPhone, ensure the device is always up to date. Step 1. To keep your device up to date, open Settings and head to the General section. Then select Software Update to begin the process of updating it. Step 2. Your iPhone will begin scanning for new updates. If an update is available, download and install it on the device. Fix 6. Remove the screen protector or screen case. If the screen isn't working as it should, remove any item blocking it, such as a phone case or protector. Fix 7. Reinstall the problematic app. If you find that your iPhone touchscreen is only acting up while using one app in particular, the issue may be with this application. To resolve this issue, head to the App Store to see if an update is available for the app that's causing problems. If yes, be sure to install it right away. However, if no new version exists, you can uninstall the app from your iPhone and reinstall it afterward. Fix 8. Reset 3D touch sensitivity settings. Step 1. To gain access to the settings on your iPhone, simply open up the Settings app. Step 2. Now head to General and find Accessibility and 3D Touch, then adjust the settings sensitivity. Fix 9. Free up storage on your iPhone. Another possible reason for an unresponsive iPhone touch screen is an overstuffed device. To ensure this does not happen, regularly delete apps or photos taking up space on your device. Fix 10. Factory reset iPhone. If your iPhone is unresponsive to your touch and all other solutions haven't been successful, it could be a significant hardware issue and the device needs immediate repair or replacement. Before you do that, it's prudent to try a factory reset. Fix 11. Contact Apple support. If the above solutions have not resolved your iPhone's unresponsive touchscreen, you will need to contact Apple support for repair.